Have you ever finished payday and wondered, somehow the money is already gone? You earn a decent salary, your bills are covered, but by the end of the month, your bank balance barely moved. You're not alone, and the reason isn't always obvious. Let's picture this. You're a young professional in Berlin, or maybe New York. You earn around $4,000 after taxes. Rent takes $1,200, your car payment $400, credit card minimums $200, student loans $300, groceries $400. That leaves $1,500 for everything else: clothing, nights out, subscriptions, and, of course, unexpected expenses. Now here's where the trap shows itself. Many people assume that because they have money left over, they can spend freely. But consider this. If you put $200 a month onto high-interest credit cards for just 3 years, the interest alone adds up to nearly $1,000. That's money gone, literally, for nothing more than convenience and lifestyle pressure. Psychologically, we fall into this trap for a simple reason: instant gratification. Our brains value immediate comfort over distant security. That new phone, the weekend getaway, the occasional fancy dinner all feel worth it in the moment. Meanwhile, your future self silently absorbs the cost. And the long-term effect isn't subtle. Let's say you ignore this pattern. 10 years of living like this, earning, spending, paying interest, can result in tens of thousands lost. By the time you notice, your wealth is far below its potential, even if your salary has grown. Now consider the alternative. Financially intelligent people don't chase the next trendy gadget or social media-inspired lifestyle. They make small, consistent decisions that compound over time. $200 invested monthly in a simple diversified fund at a conservative 6% annual return grows to nearly $40,000 in 10 years. It's not flashy, it's not exciting, but it's real. It's about mindset, not magic, about noticing where your money leaks, understanding why, and quietly redirecting it. Not by depriving yourself, but by making intentional choices that grow your financial security without drama or hype. So next time payday comes around, pause, look at where your money goes, question your habits, and imagine the difference 10 years from now. Small, rational changes today can quietly shape a more secure future.